You're watching Daddy DIY. Alright, today we're going to be installing this cleanout plug. It's made by Eastman. We ordered this off of Amazon and this product number is 15336. We will be installing this inside of this sidewalk. Now this sidewalk I dry poured as well as this driveway. If you'd like to see that, go to my page. Those videos have been uploaded. We're going to now install this cleanout, which I should have done at the time of me dry pouring, but I didn't. So now we're going to remove this cap, cut off this excess pipe that's sticking up so I can stop walking into this and stumping my toe. And we're going to insert this and try to make it as flush as possible. Ez-Flo PVC Cleanout with brass plug. 3" by 4" PVC insert. Serves as a protective to keep the drain access free of debris and stop other nuisances from entering the pipe. Ez-Flo 3/4" PVC Cleanout with brass plug for tubular drain applications. This one is white. The product number is 15336. This was purchased on Amazon. The item weighs 0.64 pounds. This is a universal cleanout plug and it's designed for a waste or vent purposes. The cleanout is made of high impact PVC, which protects against corrosion and provides durability. Easy installation. This plug features a built-in stop for easy access. The measurements. This PVC cleanout plug fits over 3" scheduled 40 PVC DWV or inside a 4" scheduled 40 PVC DWV. This product was $14.82 on Amazon. All right, so that will complete the installation process. But now I just want to get this down as flush as possible so it's comfortable when we walk over it and it's still no tripping hazards. So I'm just going to use this to break up this concrete where it's a little high, and then I'll come back with this granite bare texture paint and fill in this area. So I'm going to clean this area up now, sweeping all of the debris. And technically, I guess you should spray and wash this area down, but I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna go straight on with the paint. And this is Bear's granite paint. It's for exterior concrete and other applications outside. This is the same thing that you see on the sidewalk now and all through my driveway. This has been down for about a year now, and as you can see, it's still holding up well. And this, it gets very hard like concrete. So it'll fill in these gaps with no issues, and will smooth out. And as you can see, it's leveling itself out now. So I'll do one coat here, let this dry, level out, and then I'll come back tomorrow and do another coat and finishing leveling it out and smoothing out that top coat. And then we should be done, and I'll give you a look at that at the end. You just gotta go get the stuff.
But we can have nachos for dinner?
Yeah. Nachos, salsa, and just fajitas. Fajitas and nachos.
So I need to get all the stuff.
Here I'm just filling in a couple of small cracks that I seen. Really wasn't an issue, but since I'm here and I'm with the paint, I just went ahead and cover those. Okay. So there we are. This is 2 days later. I did put a second coat on there, but there it is. Flush, and now we can walk by without tripping. Daddy DIY, the channel of arts, crafts, and do-it-yourself projects. Keep watching for more videos from me, Daddy DIY.